guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Sonria slime shop review. So I've been following her slime account on Instagram for a little while now, and I saw that she came out with some new slimes, and I am just so excited to try them out in today's video, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and follow me on Instagram for a bunch of exclusive slime videos. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. And without further ado, let's get started. So here's the package that I received from Sonria Slime. In total, it cost $63.94, including a discount code, and I purchased 6 different slimes. The package also took 5 days to arrive. All of the slimes came very nicely packaged, none of them leaked or spilled, which I thought was awesome, and I also love the pink tissue paper on top. I thought that was such a cute idea. She also sent me some extras, which were her business card, a lollipop, some borax and citric acid, some Skittles, and some Fun Dip, and I love the cute little bag that this came in. So the first slime we have here is called Fun Dip, and this is a blue cloud slime with a blue raspberry scent, and this one cost $11.49. This cloud slime has a very nice and thick texture, it's super soft and fluffy, and it has really good slow drizzles. The slime does have a really nice blue raspberry scent. I'm not sure if it smells exactly like Fun Dip, but it's definitely really close. The slime also does leave a little bit of snow fallout on my hands and table, but it's definitely not too bad. I think this is a great cloud slime, and I just love the texture of this one. So the next slime I'm reviewing is called White Cheddar Popcorn, and this one cost $11.99. So this is a white, thick, and glossy slime with some marshmallow beads, and it also has a popcorn scent. By the way, I love the white cheddar popcorn from Smart Food. It's just so delicious, so comment down below if you've ever tried it. This slime has a really nice thick and glossy texture. It's great for stretching, poking, and bubble pops, and the marshmallow beads also give the slime a really nice crunch. The slime did come a little bit sticky, but that was easily fixed with some activator. Also, the scent on this slime smells so good. It definitely makes me crave popcorn, and I just love playing with this one. I also love the food labels that she uses on all her slime containers. I just think that's such a cool idea, and I just love how creative it is. So this next slime I'm opening is called Pink Lemonade, and this one cost $11.49. So this slime has an icy texture with a pink lemonade scent. This icy slime has a very nice thick texture. It's great for stretching, poking, and bubble pops, and it also becomes so nice and fluffy when it's inflated. I also really like the pink lemonade scent. It just smells so nice and refreshing. One thing I did notice with the slime is that when it inflates, it does become a little bit sticky. I did mix in some activator, but it still has a little bit of a tacky texture. Other than that, I think it's a great slime. Up next, we have the playable cookie dough slime, and this one cost $11.99. So this slime has a cloud cream texture with some little chocolate chip add-ins, and it also has a chocolate chip cookie dough scent. I really like the texture of this slime. It's super thick and holdable, it's super smooth and creamy, and I just love how realistic it looks. I also really like the scent. It smells so nice, and it's very relaxing to play with. I think this is a really great slime to keep at your desk. I'm actually playing with this one right now as I'm editing, and it's just so fun to play with. Up next, we have Fetti Frosting, and this one costs $10.99. So this is a white icy butter slime, and this one comes with some sprinkles that you get to mix in yourself, and it also has a Fetti Frosting scent. This slime has a super soft and fluffy texture. It's so nice and inflating. It makes really nice sizzling sounds when you squeeze it, and I just love the funfetti scent. The slime did come a little bit sticky, so I went ahead and mixed in some activator, but after that it was perfect. I also love all the sprinkles. It just makes the slime look so cute, and I just love the label on this one as well. And last but definitely not least, we have Jelly Donut, and this one cost $11.99. So this slime is inspired by Krispy Kreme donuts, which I think is so cute. So this one you mix two different textures, one's a jelly slime and the other's a cloud cream. And as you can see here, they did mix a little bit, probably during transit. Mixing the jelly slime and the cloud cream creates such a nice unique texture. It's super thick and creamy, it makes really nice slime swirls, and it also inflates quite a bit. Now the slime did come a little bit sticky, but after mixing in some activator it was perfect. I also love the scent on this slime. It smells so nice and sweet, and it just makes it even more fun to play with. Overall, I just love all the slimes that I got from Sonria Slime Shop. All of her textures and scents are just so good, and I just love her packaging and labels as well. I think she has a great slime shop, and I definitely recommend checking her out. Alright guys, it is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below which slime was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and follow me on Instagram for a bunch of exclusive slime videos. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye!